Next question is find dy by dx of the function x raised to y plus y raised to x equal to 1. For the previous questions, it was not an equation, it was a phrase, and we substituted y equal to the given function. But here the given is an equation and we have to find a dy by dx. So what we will do is we will write u plus v is equal to 1, where u is equal to x raised to y and v is equal to y raised to x. What I did is, instead of x raised to y plus y raised to x, I replaced by u plus v equal to 1 and u equal to x raised to y and v equal to y raised to x. Again differentiate this equation. So what I will get is derivative of u is du by dx plus derivative of v is dv by dx equal to, right side is 1, constant, its derivative is 0. So what we are getting is du by dx plus dv by dx equal to 0. Put that as equation number 1. And take the first one, u is equal to x raised to y. How we will do that? Apply logarithm, because function raised to function. So log u is equal to y into log x. So differentiating, what you will get is log u is 1 by u into du by dx. When it was y, what we wrote is 1 by y into dy by dx. So when it is log u, we are getting the derivative as 1 by u into du by dx equal to, right side there are two functions. Y is a function, log x is a function. So we have to apply product rule. First function y into derivative log x is 1 by x plus second function. Second term will be second term into derivative of the first. So y derivative of y is dy by dx. Okay, so we are getting du by dx as, we have to take this u to the right side. U is x raised to y into y by x plus log x into dy by dx. Put that as equation number 2. Again one more term is there, v equal to y raised to x. Take that term, v is equal to y raised to x. So here also we will apply logarithm. Log v is equal to x into log y. So taking derivative, log v, derivative is 1 by v into dv by dx equal to, right side we have to again apply product rule. First function x into derivative of log y is 1 by y into dy by dx. Since it is y, we have to take the derivative of y also, plus second term log y into derivative of the first derivative of x is 1. So we are getting dv by dx as v into, what is v? Y raised to x into x by y into dy by dx plus log y. This is equation number 3. Again what we will do is, we will substitute 2 and 3 in 1. What was 1? Du by dx plus dv by dx equal to 0. So substitute the value of du by dx. What is du by dx? X raised to y into y by x plus log x into dy by dx, that is du by dx, plus dv by dx. dv by dx is y raised to x into x by y into dy by dx plus log y is equal to, here the equation which we got was du by dx plus dv by dx is equal to 0. So here we wrote the value of du by dx plus this is the value of dv by dx equal to 0. Again, what was our question? Our question was to find dy by dx. So what you have to do is, from this equation you have to sort out dy by dx. So just open the bracket. So if I open the bracket, x raised to y into y by x, x square into 1 by x. How we will solve? This is x raised to 2 minus 1, which gives you x. X raised to 5 into 1 by x cube. How we will do? X raised to 5 minus 3, isn't it? Which is equal to x square. Same way can you say x raised to y by x. We can write as x raised to y minus 1 into y plus x raised to y into log x into dy by dx. I just opened the bracket. Okay. Plus here also open the bracket. Same way y raised to x by y can be written as y raised to x minus 1 into x into dy by dx, plus we have to give this term to this also. So y raised to x into log y is equal to 0. Again what we will do is, there are 4 terms of which 2 terms contain dy by dx. Keep the term containing dy by dx on the left side. So x raised to y into log x into dy by dx plus y raised to x minus 1 into x into dy by dx equal to, take the other two terms. This term doesn't contain dy by dx. This term also take it to the right side. So minus y into x raised to y minus 1 minus y raised to x into log y. And the last thing to do is take dy by dx common from these two terms. So dy by dx into x raised to y log x plus y raised to x minus 1 into x is equal to, if needed you can take a negative outside, or otherwise you can take negative y outside. I am just taking negative outside, minus of y into x raised to y minus 1. Negative came outside, so it is plus y raised to x into log y. And the question is, we have to find a dy by dx. So what should we do? This term into dy by dx will give you the right side. So to find dy by dx, we have to divide the right side with this term. So the answer is minus y into x raised to y minus 1 plus y raised to x into log y whole divided by x raised to y into log x plus x into y raised to x minus 1.